So you like take beating girl? What make you not smoke a whole ass Jamaica rubbish?
Cha, me know all I try to do, but him beat me, but he not always at. Not to Ras and a beating that. Jano, I forgot to stand up for the Ras one. Brenda, it look like your blood clot confused. Man beat in 99 different ways. The sister when me didn't know and love, growing up, and she is a blood clot. It's sitting where me see in front of me now. Coming like dark shit. And me call it dark shit and not a woman. Because a woman is a strong, vibrant and beautiful creature. A woman embrace life. A woman make choices to make things better. Jano, you come like a bag of steel pad. Where the dirty dog just volunteer up. And the garbage man refuse. Yeah, you want dirty pussy hole. I mean not take it back. More left in Ras. Brenda, me love you. Please, let me pussy hole.
Here, this is the perfect time for me give him a joke.
Sit down!
Alright, I'm gonna save it for later.
Brother, my band lucky if you ever stay good, stay bad fucker brother like you. Lego. Say I gonna left him?
Oi! Yo! Hey girl, what you do ya? Come go over your blood clot yard. How the pussy you look pan?
Oh yeah, call pussy. Pussy no call me no pussy. That's why my sister gonna left you.
How tell you that? Baby, you not tell them.
No, me not tell them yet. Everybody, me have a good news. Me and Jeff get married. Me da show no ring, but it under me plaster. My finger drop down his stairs. So you get married?
Yeah, but only because me breed it.
Breed it?
Ras, my condolences. But wait, I'm gonna give it in the name it. Name like maybe Beatty.
Or Butter Bruise it. Take liquor and not refuse it.
Dog, where the fuck me I go do? She can't marry that the pussy there. All him I go do I just beat her and beat her the Ras pitney too. Why she never quint it and squeeze him out her pussy before him come?
You know what that me did damage? Wait, what?
Awa?
What you say, Quinty?
Yeah.
I fuck with that. You know me that think about in the afternoon. But what happened to the rascal like did when a man do something like that to a girl? And all our brother them and our close friend them come together and fuck up in blood clot in a real way.
And why if you could have just stabbed him in the eye?
Well, why not?
So you mean?
Three away. We are go over there go do what's right. Fuck up in blood clot.
Yo, calm down. I hope you not just said that.
I hope you not go over there and back out like Leland Chuck.
Are you really gonna make box him up in the eye? I get if you get serious and come and do what we do.
Yo, my blood clot serious. You see when me done with him a go cry like water and it not go environmentally friendly. If him beg for help, no! And me a go look on him and say, pussy, me a go make you burn like banana chips.
Make sure you're serious about the boy and that at the end of it. Hey girl, me not tell you stop trying to put the pussy on my face.
No baby, me just see that try see what I go say.
Man, a real black clot Jamaican.
Baby, me sorry.
See, as long as you live in my house, don't try to make a pussy glide nowhere near this face here. We could go for him quick.
Girl, you see when you're deaf?
We just say fool. You don't see it just jump. Hey girl, come here, get up. Go and go take a lay down in our room. Right now, we know in a bag of chattings. Me and my two friends them there. And we come just to fuck up a blood clot.
I know time me see me mother ball in vain. Can't get no work, she have me hustle on the lane. No time me tease me take off on the plane. Wondering when that day will begin. No time me see me mother ball in vain. Can't get no work, she have me hustle on the lane. No time me tease me take off on the plane. Wondering when that day will begin. Me no sell